morning, everyone. So we were holding Finnifty 19200 and 19250 and 19300 short straddle. You can see here we're trading with high quantities and we still have around 18 lakhs margin left. That remains unused. Finnifty straddle is currently trading at 107. We got a very good decay towards the second half in on Friday. So because of that, we are sitting at a good MTM right now. Okay, and we were expecting opening between 9250 to 9300. The bank nifty is also opening at a very low level, 180 minus. And let's see, the fin nifty is opening below our level at 191. I will see if we have a good decay. So if you're opening around, let's say, 80 points premium or 88, 85, I would plan to exit all of this trade and I will re-enter in the second half. I would be a little busy today with the housewarming, with the family housewarming party. So I won't be much active for recording the video. Most of the time, I will be trading from my mobile. So mostly I will be buying these hedges, 19,000 put and 19,400 call, and we might short 19,200 short straddle if the premiums are good enough. So let's see. Um, I think it is opening a bigger gap down here, and it should cover up a little. Let's see, yes, it will go up. 19,200 is around 104. 103, 104, 105. We don't have much decay. It's pretty normal. 9,900. Oh, it's 96 now. Okay, it had a good decay. We should have took that opportunity. It's fine now. 97. Okay, so this is what I'm tracking. So if I get a good premium here, then I will enter. Otherwise, it's completely fine. So we have around 98 now. So it's not very attractive to for me to enter. It was at 104 at one time. I could have entered, but it's too late now. So premiums aren't that attractive. So I'm seeing a good premium here. We are around 103 at ATM straddle. So I'm doing a 19200 short straddle also. So currently we are holding 19200, 19250 and 19300 straddle. You can see here, this is 19200 straddle, 250 straddle and 19300 straddle, all of equal quantity. And our hedges are now at 19,000 and 19,400, the one that we took in the morning and the earlier hedges that we have. Okay, the funds remaining is around 50K, that's it. So we have used the entire capital that we had. I got a good bounce here. If you see at 9200 straddle is around 103 right now. So I got a good spike here. If you see the Friday closing, it was 107. So it's only 4 points decay overall. So with that, I took this opportunity to enter at this trade. I was not expecting Nifty and Bank Nifty to fall this much, and even Finnifty to remain in the range of 200 to 300, but it has fallen already. So I don't feel that we will be having big moments. So that's why I shorted 19200. I'm still holding this bullish position. So market has made a comeback, and if you can see, 19200 is giving us very good profit, and so are 19250 on 19300 also. Okay, so Finnifty made a good fall down, and we didn't adjust our 19250 and 19300 that time. So I will just make this 5 EMA in this. So Finnifty went to 19147 and made a good comeback, and it's above 19200 levels now. Oh, it's getting a good profit. So this is how your trades will change. Okay, so 19200 suddenly giving us 12 profit, and more than that, the 19250 and 300 are giving us a bigger profit here. So the game changes every time, right? As I said, that market has fallen a lot more than what I was expecting, and it wasn't that weak. So that was one of the reason I didn't close my 19300 and 19250 started both. Okay, so currently holding this 100 points range, and let's see how it goes from here. So the time is 9:45. We are holding 19200, 19250, 19300 short straddle for Finnifty, and Finnifty has uh, come up around more than 110 points now already, and it's very much in range. It was looking very bearish, but now it's looking very bullish. You can see continuous move upside. So that's why I'm glad that I did change my 19250 and 19300 short straddle, and I'll very much stay in the same straddles today for entire half day, and after that I will see if any global scenario or market changes. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the range that I have right now, 200 to 300, and not much difference. If you see 19200 straddle that I took in the morning, it's already giving me loss. I entered when the straddle premium was around 102, and currently it's around 120, so that is 18 point minus here. And okay, Nifty is still going up, so it's pretty good, but then again, it should stay in our range. I'm glad that Finnifty has rose from now 19150 to 19290 now, but then it's going out of our range. It is at the upper range of our upper bracket of our range. So let's see. I'll still hold to this trade. I won't change much. And if you see, there has been a spike in the premium 19300. If you check, it's around 107. So we are back to the same premium that we had on Friday evening. Now there's a big spike in the premium again. So okay, so we're still holding on to the trade. Let's see. So Finnifty is trying to give a breakout above 19300 level. Though we have a good range of 19200 to 19300. We're holding 19200 short straddle here. We took in the morning, which is giving us a big loss around 70,000. Because when we entered 19200, straddle was at around 102 points premium, and now it's running at around 145 points premium. So it is giving us around 70,000 loss. 19250 and 19300 from overnight we have, both are giving us good profit. And on the upside, I have 19400 call as a hedge, which is giving me 25 since morning. So that is something that has covered me on the upside range. But I'm still holding on to 200 to 300 range. Looks pretty good. Nifty and Bank Nifty both has recovered a lot from the downside movement today. So if you see Bank Nifty from 377 to 730, so it's almost 400 points it has recovered. So I don't see any more upside movement from here. The same thing with Nifty from 484 around. Okay, no, from down. The day's low was around 464. Not that one. Okay. I'm seeing the 1 minute candle here. The day's low was 350, so almost 150 points riding Nifty also. So I don't see much upside from here. So let's see, I'm not adjusting my trade as of now, and we'll stay with the same trade. went around 17,000. Too much volatility in the market. We started at 70, went to 1 lakh, came down to plus 20,000. Again went to 1 lakh. Now back, Antim swing is back to 20,000 now. So very volatile market. So VIX is not up. VIX is around the same level. VIX is in fact flat. No changes there. Okay. So let's check the ATM straddle for Finnifty. Maybe around 102 or something. Okay, so 106. So there's a spike in Finnifty premium. So that's why our our profit is low here. So we'll stay in the range and see you in the second half. Mostly I won't be able to record it on my laptop because I'll be out for a housewarming party, and I guess the second half will be recorded on my mobile. Let's see how it goes. See you in the second half, guys. Best of luck. Well, Finnifty has is going on an upside. Bank Nifty is showing strength, so we have come near break even. So we have lost all the early morning gains when we reached 1 lakh. So we lost all the gains, and we are at break even right now. We are holding the same trade, 19,200, 19,250, and 19,300 short straddle in Finnifty trades. I'll keep on holding that. Global is not looking strong, so I feel our market won't get any strength, and we might see a profit booking because we already Bank Nifty has already gone around 300 points up from the down, and similarly with Nifty around 150 points. So I feel profit booking may come, and we will trade in the same range. And I'll see at the end of the day if we want to make any adjustments or we're okay with this trade. I'm pretty hedged on both the sides, from put and call side, from 19,000 to 19,400. These are my hedges, so I'm pretty okay with those trades. Though we have lost all the profit, it's completely fine. As long as we are trading the range. And Finnifty, if you see 19,300, so the premiums are around 106, so they haven't decayed at all since Friday night. So Friday closing was 107 premium, while now the premiums are around 105. So we don't have any decay from there, so that's why no benefit to our overnight trades. But as the day passes, I guess in the second half we'll get good decay. Trades that I had for overnight, you can see on the top 19,250 short straddle and 19,300 short straddle, and these are the hedges. So no changes. We just exited out of 19,200 short straddle. The premiums were very high; it had spiked, so I had to exit out of it. So pretty good day. Still decay left, so I'm keeping it for overnight. Holding same trade, Finnifty is trading around 19,300 level, and we are around 80,000. The ATM straddle has moved around 70 to 78 premiums. Good decay towards the end, and I'm not carrying any more new position. These are the same trades that I was carrying from Friday evening, 19,250 and 19,300 straddle. So if you see, Finnifty is around 19,315 level, so we are holding a negative delta position for this point of time. So let's see how it goes. So overall it's a neutral day because we started with 75,000 in the morning. This was the profit we were carrying from Friday, and today we only booked in 19,200, wherein we booked loss. So wasn't a good trade. After we entered into 19,200 straddle, Finnifty went up, so we had to exit 19,200 straddle. So we close here at 84, holding the same trade. Let's see tomorrow. Hoping for a gap, hoping for a flat opening or at least a 50 points gap down, which will help our trade tomorrow. Okay. Great. Nifty is at a resistance of 18,500, and Nifty was weak since morning. That is what helped keeping Finnifty very much in a tight range. So I had a good day. Hope you had a good Monday start of this